morning, everybody. I'm Jerry Flaherty, the golf course superintendent at the Valley Club. Today's July 21st, and today I'm going to talk about the dry spots that we have throughout the course. I'm sure you're aware of them, and we certainly are. So if you look behind me, you can see some of the dry spots, and what I've done is I've marked the irrigation heads so you can see that each dry spot is a little bit south of each irrigation head. And that could happen for a number of reasons. One, the soil could be hydrophobic. Two, the wind might be playing a role. And three, maybe we're just not getting uniform coverage with our irrigation. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to talk about how we use our water. And I wanted to point out, yesterday I took a class in Boise from the USGS, the United States Geological Survey, and it was talking about water use. And they threw out a pretty interesting stat that I thought was pretty cool. And they said how much water the golf courses use in Idaho. And in Idaho, they use 0.11%. So I thought that was pretty cool, and you guys could be aware of that. So we're not the big bad guys that everybody says they are. Of course, we have a lot less acreage than the agriculture and that sort of thing, but technology and superintendents and education has gone a long way in the last 20-25 years. So what I have in my hand here is a Field Scout, and this is a moisture meter. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to measure the moisture around this area here and see what it looks like. So we go over here by the head where it's pretty green. I stick this in, and I don't know if you can see that, but you can see I'm going to hit read. And you can see this nice turf right here is 15.8% moisture content. So now I'm going to go over where it's a little dry. Let's try right here, a little bit south of that head. I'm going to hit read, and we're at 4.2%. So you can see our deal here. If we bring this up to 15% moisture content, then we're going to probably make that 30%, and then that's going to be a wet area. You're going to be seeing ball marks in there, and your ball's going to plug. So what we do right now to remedy this is we drag hoses and we only water this area here, and by the time we make it around the course, we get back here in about 10 days, and that's what we're doing right now. But what I want to avoid next year when we do our new irrigation system is I want to make sure that we have good nozzles in there that have good uniform distribution. So we're doing tests on the West 9 right now to help select what nozzle we want to use on the new irrigation system out here. And our goal is to get uniform distribution. I mean, right now we're probably at about 55% uniformity. And a good irrigation system, you can get it up to about 85 to 90%. Rain is 100%. That's why when it rains, you see us guys out here smiling, and the course just really greens up because it's getting 100% coverage. So hopefully you guys, when you see us out dragging hoses, now you know why. And it's a lot of work, but we think it's really paying off because the conditions have been really good. And this turf here, I'm not worried about it, but if I let it go too long, it will start checking out on us, so that's why we're dragging hoses. So hope you guys have a good Friday, and we'll see you on the course.